I'm going to unbox the new Rouge Allure Velvet Limited Edition Les Perles set. Isn't this amazing, you guys? Of course, when I got some freebies, so please stick around until the end of this video. So when I saw this coming, I said, oh my god, I can't wait to release it because that's gonna be mine. And guess what? It's here. So Rouge Allure Velvet Limited Edition. And I believe they created this set just for me. Both of the colors are amazing. They go perfectly with my skin tone. And the pouch or the wallet or the case or whatever you want to call it is spectacular. By Box. Oh my god, let me take out the sticker. And you know, it's all about the case. Look at that! I can't believe it. And the most amazing thing is that it has a little pearl over here. Look at that. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Of course, they named this limited edition collection Les Perles. So that's why we have a pearl there. Oh my goodness, guys. So inside comes with two lipsticks. And the first one is the Rouge Allure Velvet 459 Luminous. Oh my god. Let's see the color. Wow. That is unbelievable. This color is spectacular. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Oh my god, that's wow. Look at that, guys. That's one of my favorite colors. It's pretty similar to the one I'm wearing today. Of course, what I'm wearing today is not Chanel, but I like those kind of shades. I believe they're going perfectly with my skin tone for an everyday use. So this one, it's definitely one of my favorites. And the next one is the Rouge Allure Velvet 458 Sensual. Oh my god. And that's a red, guys. That's a red. Wow. It matches my nails today. I love this one too. I also wear, you know, red lipsticks. Not every day because I believe, you know, red lipsticks are special. But I have a lot of reds and I love them all and I keep wear them. And oh wow, this one, it's a red. It's not that deep red. So that's the color. I love it. I love it. Look at that. I believe they created this kit especially for me. Yep. And oh my god, the case, I love it. I would say I didn't know what shades they come with it. But when I saw it, I said, okay, I'm gonna get it anyways for the case. Now, you can use this case with several ways. You can put one lipstick in there and, you know, small perfume to have it on your purse forever, wherever you go. It can fit your driver license in there, so you can have your little teeny tiny wallet, you know, to run out of the door. The pearl is amazing. I love this set. Now, if you want it, just for you to know, it retails for $120 and you need to run because usually those stuff they're getting out of stock, you know, in a speed of light. So if you want it, don't waste your time, don't wait, right? Now, they released total 8 colors, okay? Those 2 colors, they come in with the kit, but they have 8 different shades if you don't want the kit and you just want, you know, one lipstick. So the colors they released is 447 Natural, 448 Delicate, 449 Sophistiqué, 457 Eclatante. I hope I pronounce it right. You know me, I have my accent. Then we have the 458 Sensuale, which comes in the kit, and the 459 Luminous, that also comes in the kit. And then we have the 468 Elegante and the 467 Precious. Oh, I love them all. If you see the shades, they are one of the kind, so you cannot go wrong whatever you pick. Now, when I went to grab this at the Chanel boutique, I also grabbed a perfume, and that's the Chance Eau de Parfum, and that's the orange bottle. And the reason I grabbed this is because I have the whole series here, and I believe they are the perfect perfumes for spring and summer because they last all day on your skin, but you know they are not overwhelming. Especially for summer, you need something light, but you don't want your perfume disappear. So those three, they can stay on your skin all day, believe me, but they're gonna leave, you know, a pleasant track behind you, right? So the top notes of this one is pink pepper, and I believe it has some iris and jasmine. So it smells delicious. I love it. Now the green one, the top notes is lemon and also smells spectacular. I mean, it's a totally green perfume, right? For those, you know, days in the spring that is not cold, but it's not hot. I also believe has some pink pepper and jasmine in there. So, you know, all those going perfectly together and you have the perfect smell for spring and summer. Now, the pink one from the whole line is my most favorite. It has grapefruit, it has jasmine, it's a totally flowery, light but deep, you know, scent. So yeah, from all those three, the pink is my favorite. The pink is the one that I'm going and reach out again and again, but also all of them are perfect. And I'm going to use them all. Now, I promised you freebies. I have freebies. First of all, I got those amazing paper bracelets. You know, I always give those to my daughter because she likes to spray perfume and then wear it in her hand. Those are amazing. I love them. And then I got a Gabrielle Chanel something, which is, I don't know what exactly it is, but from the length of the ribbon, I believe is also a bracelet. I love it. I'm so happy I have it. And that was for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, bye.